mountains behind us. We're going to drive through Mount Rushmore today. We're going to Scenic Loop. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow us.
Or bus.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go.
This is a picture of historic Deadwood
In 1909, the city was founded in 1876.
Deadwood.
South Dakota. Devil's Tower caps the northern ridge of the Black Hills in Wyoming. So here's Mount Rushmore. There we go.
Here we all are.
We just finished touring the
Exhibit area and looking at all of the pictures and signs and things under there, and it's spectacular. Blasting and drilling that they had to do to make this sculpture. Golden anniversary, which would have been 50 years after this was completed, and George Bush spoke at that. Pretty spectacular. So the four men, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt, represent the nation, and the artwork done by Gutson Bolgum.
Mount Rushmore.
Profile view.
This is the visitor
Center at Badlands. Hand-painted skull for $750.
right outside the visitor center.
Yeah, Badlands. And this is just a little panoramic view. It's beautiful. That over here was
You got plenty of room.
Uh-huh.
I know.
Okay, here we are at the Badlands, and we're just enjoying the scenery. And it was spectacular. I never expected this. And what do you think about it?
I think it's gorgeous.
We have some wind blowing.
It's a beautiful day though. Sunny, probably 70.
74, 75?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. Having a good time. And headed through the Badlands Park back to 90 and then back through. It's beautiful. See ya.
So what does you think that is?
Sand.
It's
Like
sand.
sand. Maybe this is what sandstone is. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, but there's rock in there too.
Yeah. Because that flakes off.
Yeah.
I'm really glad we came back here.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. She's down in here.
See, you can see the erosion.
Creates little caves. This way, this is a little arch right there.
It's just washing out.
And way down deep in the canyon there, you can see a trickle of a stream. This overlook.
We are at the Pinnacles Overlook.
The other side of the road now. Glenn said he saw a sign in the back. On this stretch, we might run into some bison. Look at that.
Notice the thin layer.
How thin the top layer is on that piece of the structure in the middle of the gully down there. It's pretty thin, so the wind and the rain really makes this stuff fall apart, break out, break down.
Dude, mine keeps going. Every time I take a picture, it's not the deer in it anymore. It's whatever you call.
Buffalo out there, and the prairie dogs. Did you hear the prairie dogs?
Oh, look at all of them. Yeah, see, they're all warning each other.
So we're going into the Sturgis Knuckle Saloon, right? After a quick drink, we're headed back to Spearfish, and the next day we are going to Devil's Tower in Devil's Tower, Wyoming.
Some of the area is carpeted with sagebrush, grass, and repair fence.
I bet it'd be pretty up there. There's lichens growing all over it. How tall is the tower? 867 feet. And it's 1,280 feet from the base of its platform on the Belfouche River. Prayers in the wind.
Prayers in the wind. Let's talk about it.
Devil's Tower National Monument, known to many as Bear Lodge, is a sacred place for over 20 American Indian tribes. Along the trail, tree branches sway with the power of their prayer bundles. The meaning of each is a mystery, known only to the hands that tie the cloth. With each knot tightened, prayers release into the wind. Keeping your distance and not disturbing the bundles helps protect the prayers.
We're on, what trail are we on, Lee?
We're on the Tower Trail,
Tower Trail. How long is it?
1.3 miles.
1.3 miles.
And it's all paved.
And not much elevation change, right?
No, I think this is about.
This is the viewing area?
Oh my word, look at the rocks. So our adventures today are taking us to Devil's Tower, as you see in the background, and we're gonna make a big loop, go through Belfouche, and then back to Spearfish.
Devil's Tower. Halfway point tower.
Spikes in, and then they have to pull them in.
According to the plat, this is the one.
Yellow.
Go.
Go. The yellow and the orangey rusty colors that you see are the lichen growing on the tower.
Okay. Good news.
Said these are some of the largest in the world.
What would you do?
I don't know.
It's a cave-like structure.
Yeah.
Bats probably live in there.
Oh yeah, I bet they do. We might could mountain climb up to that point and back down.
I don't
again.
think so. Look at that cave. It's,
Probably. Well, I saw somebody climbed up a little ways and put their prayer cloth. Look.
This is looking back down before they drive into the park.
We saw them getting ready to climb.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, I don't know about the first people, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Somebody had a huge backpack. They were going for like a week or something.
I don't see them.
Yeah. This is what it looks like from this side. The valley down
The
there.
Belle Fourche River.
That's the Belle Fourche River. And then these guys over here are training.
Watch for the bull snake.
4
Up
to 6.
and back.
Wow.
That's for a really experienced climber.
So like if people sign in, like they're going up and you come at night and they haven't come back, what do you do?
You guys
send
come
for
look for
up or do helicopters or drones or?
I mean, that's kind of what we're doing the training for that right now,
To go out and try to,
yeah. Well, first we make sure that they need help. You know, sometimes
do
people
they
just
walk and talk?
Right.
How do you
It's
communicate?
pretty much just yell.
Really?
Yeah, you can hear people really well.
Okay.
Huh.
They'll probably be yelling or like their cell service so they call. So we might go out with a megaphone and be like, "Are you okay?" And they'll be
Okay.
like, no, and then we start
Okay.
When they sign in, do they have to tell an area where they're going to climb or no?
yeah, we ask them to.
You ask
there
them
are
to, so most people know where they're going.
Most people hopefully know where they're going.
Okay.
Is there a tsunami up there?
It's illegal,
Oh, okay.
but sometimes, yeah, people get in over their head and they're out there overnight.
Right.
Hmm.
All
Golly.
part of the game.
How long have you been doing this?
This is my second season.
But you've obviously been climbing long. Well, thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you. You too.
That's a little prairie dog right there, laying down, and we're walking around. There's
See the
a bunch of
mound?
them out there.
Listen to them bark at us.
You may not be able to hear them barking for the wind, and especially since we're talking, you won't be able to hear it. So I'm going to leave talking off. Look at this little guy over here, standing up like a chipmunk.
Oh, look.
Funny.
That is cute.
It's really funny, isn't it?
We need one to pop up.
Yeah, right close by, get a close-up on him.
And this is called Prairie Dog Town.
Well, there's enough of them. This guy's really making a lot of noise. Listen to it. This is the Belle Fourche River. Look how clear that water is.
They are. They don't like.
Notice the reddish color on the hills over there, and there's some teepees down. There must be some kind of display.
See, we came across the road here,
Yeah.
came here, turned left. We're going to do 0.3 miles, then we're going to turn left again.
Happy with us, are you?
Oh, there he goes. Ooh, did you see him? He ran across the road.
Still laying there though. Got his nose pointed into his hole.
That cactus we saw might have been the prickly pear. Look at that.
Yeah, could have been up here. The
Yes.
sign is up here. Okay. What is this called now?
Fire. What's this? Smoke. Because this is where they sat with their peace pipes. Smoke. Circle of smoke. Circle of peace or something like that. I'll tell you.
The thing is, it's even written on here, but
You can't see it.
Circle Wind, 2008, Sacred Smoke.
The Circle of Sacred Smoke.
Circle Wind 2008.
Circle of Sacred Smoke.
Circle of Sacred Smoke. Young Kuya Muto. Probably butchered that name up big time.
It represents a puff of smoke from a ceremonial pipe.
So I wonder if all three of them are different, just don't, are there different
I would say
for
no.
each area?
I would say yeah,
Like India would do something else and then the
right. Because in India, it was Buddha, you know.
the Lakota story of Pisan Wen Yan. We finished our visit at Devil's Tower. We headed to Belle Fourche, and then afterwards we made our way back to our campsite at Spearfish City Campground. And the next day we headed to Billings, Montana.